Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Auth0 login problems, tenant and connection errors step by step clearly. To fix Auth0 login problems related to tenant and connection errors, start by verifying your tenant settings. Log into your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Tenant Settings section in the sidebar. Ensure that your tenant domain matches the one you're using in your application. Check if the connection you are using for your login has been enabled. Go to the Connections tab and select the relevant connection. Confirm that the connection is set to enable for the applications that need it. If you use social logins, make sure the associated API keys and secrets are correctly configured. Review the Applications section to confirm that your application settings are correct. Ensure that allowed callback URLs include the URL where your application redirects after authentication. Check that allowed logout URLs to ensure users can sign out effectively. Examine the log entries in the Auth0 dashboard to identify specific error messages. These logs can provide insights into possible misconfigurations or issues. If you encounter a specific error code, refer to the Auth0 documentation for detailed guidance on that code. Consider testing your login flow with different browsers to rule out browser-specific issues. If you're still facing problems, reach out to Auth0 support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the error and steps you've already taken. Following these steps will help you troubleshoot and resolve Auth0 login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.